riding a bike with no brakes because this thing is old, and I uninstalled them, and yeah, this is the brake. If you need to stop, you just kind of like yank that as you're on the bike. This thing's pretty well built, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna start off at first, I think. Yeah, it's first. Go around. Oh golly! Oh no! Go into fourth. It's probably terrible on my shoes. Shouldn't do that. You see, as you can see right here, it has no brakes.
Mm-hmm.
And this one doesn't do anything. This was a brake. I don't know why we took them off. I needed the brake pads. That's probably why. Anyways, it doesn't have brakes, and the chain is more rusty than, like, I don't know, really rusty. The chain is just really rusty. I can ride it with no brakes, no problem. It's very easy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Very easy.
Funny crippled noises. I gotta flip the camera back around.
Now we're gonna do the what happens if you didn't brake test.
Oh, those tires are flat.
Those tires are more flat than soda on a bad day. We're gonna do a little back up, then go forward.
Here was the Instagram.
Do that, and then anyway, I'm not wearing a helmet, and I'm on a bike with no brake.
Very intelligent.
See how slight I can turn it? Wait, shift down like a whole lot. Yeah, first doesn't like it so well.
I don't think this bike wants to move at all. Uh-oh. I got it from view.
Actually, no, I just broke the chain. What happened? Completely stripped the chain off, and actually, I think that kind of worked as like engine braking of some sort. I'm not sure how. Anyways, that's kind of cool.
I don't think that's very good for the bike, though.
I mean, it's not like I could totally fix that, but like, I don't need to prove that I can ride a bike with no brakes again. So.
Hey, okay, back up on the thing. It's a little more damaged than we thought.
It's up there. It just went backwards. The gear is completely.
Yeah, it's busted.
It's bent. It's bent.
Don't worry, I get the tool to fix it. The universal solver.
Universal problem. Yeah, let me see that. Let me see that.
No, I got this.
No,
I got this.
you got that? All right. Watch it. Jeez.
Oops.
I completely bent the back gear by like shifting it a little too hard.
Can you hold the camera? Yeah.
What?
Oops, I'm bending it.
Did you fix it yet? I think. Yeah, we got it. Okay, now you just gotta put the chain back on.
The actual metal itself. That the screw is on.
That kind of solved the problem, I guess. I don't know.
Probably shouldn't have done that.
What did you just?
I was trying to bend that screw back.
Oh my gosh, that plastic is gone. That is dry rotted out of like.
Well, that's probably what's catching on right there. So, gotta.
Probably like send this.
What happened? Look at this. This.
Oh,
loose.
The plastic got stuck in it and completely like.
That's what tore it up. Okay, where's the?
Absolutely tore it up. Okay, now we just need to kind of like reattach it and stuff.
Yeah. There we go.
Okay, good. Problem solved.
Problem solved.
Can you turn it the right way or something? Is it?
There we go.
Let me see that. Let me see. Like, I turn it around. Now we're gonna do the what happens if you were going at like really fast and you didn't see the curb coming up to you and.
Oh, that's falling.
Oh! The way it just twisted like that. I mean,
hey, at least it didn't hit the curb.
I wonder if I broke the gear system.
What?
That would be interesting. That would mean it wouldn't shift anymore. But
Interesting.
anyways, it still kind of works, which is kind of funny. I will never not find funny. I mean, I will always find funny.
What about these guard wheel?
Oh,
What is that crumbling noise? Oh shoot, it's, the thing got caught up on it again.
What?
Hold up.
Oh shit.
Gotta grab the universal solvent.
Oh, that is broken. Let me see the camera. Let me see.
It's not that broken.
Oh, that is. No, you're making it worse. You're making it worse. It's literally. It's literally that piece of metal right there. Just whack it off. Just whack it off.
Wow, just break it off?
Yeah, just get rid of it. Oh no.
There we go.
Okay, you might want to undo that from the chain so that it's not, Now it's a 1-speed bike. I mean, that was probably still a good gear shift and probably would have been fine, but like,
who needed it?
it was rusty and nah, that was just the chain. I mean, we could have even took that off and like repaired it or something, but like, who cares?
We can repair it later.
Brakes and no gears.
Technically we still can. It's just plastic. We just super glue it.
We should completely remove the wires so you can just like steer forever.
Okay, I'm trying to. Oh my goodness.
If we remove all the wires that like attach things, I could just like steer it infinitely. It'd be so ridiculous.
Found the problem.
Okay. Don't want any of that flying.
Break the entire thing. Bro, why is this piece of plastic so strong?
It's metal.
This is plastic.
Some of it's metal. It's an amalgam. Can I please try doing that? Can I at least try?
I'm shattering it.
Let me see.
Why are we still recording this?
Gotta hold the bike.
Be careful.
Are you recording that? Oh no, I just.
Uh-oh. Yeah, we're gonna have to like break the thing all the way together.
Look at this wreck. It's absolutely. The gear is absolutely locked up on me and like bent the thing, and then we've been trying to fix it, and then it didn't work. So literally, like the gears, they stopped spinning because it caught into the plastic, and it locked them up and like bent them. Now we're gonna take them off so I can actually ride and work, and then we'll have to like. We can cut all these cords off so we can do like 360 turns, which is a little wild. But we got the gear off. It's now just hanging on the thread. You could ride it without that, I guess. I don't know. The chain kind of will just... Oh, wait a second. We haven't done that. Those are not wire cutters? I didn't ask for those.
It'll work. Hopefully.
I don't think that's going to do much of anything.
Oh.
You need like tin snips or something. Now let's say things.
Here we go, Wells. This will definitely cut.
That's not a wire cutter! I guess that's gonna work. I don't know. Did it work? Is it doing anything whatsoever?
It's not breaking the blade.
Okay.
It's because there's like metal on the outside of this.
So I found another problem that we're gonna encounter. It's called the chain being too flimsy.
What?
The chain, literally, like, it discombobulates because there's no tension. There's absolutely no tension on it, so it just kind of falls apart. So.
Oh, so this is completely useless.
It could probably make it better, you know. Title's video: I broke a bike in 3 minutes.
Oh, this really doesn't want to cut. So I found the actual wire cutters this time. I think that'll work.
Right about here, I guess. I don't know.
These are so rusty.
Should be pretty easy to snip off.
Oh, crud. There we go.
Just kind of a nice yank. There we go, problem solved. And now I can rip out.
Now we do more.
Now I can rip out this piece of junk. So I made some sort of like tensioning device that keeps the oh my gosh, it's that weird bird again. And I'm not even sure if that's a bird. That might be an engine. So I made it so that it just kind of sits there and it has a tension now because it didn't have tension earlier, and we also got all the wires off so you can do 360 turns on it. Look at this. Okay, go.
Laugh nice.
That was great. So I put the tensioner on. It feels a little weird and jank and stuff, but that's probably fine. Yeah, I think it just lost tension entirely somehow. That's okay, I guess. I don't know. I think it's working. Really just gotta take care. It's working. It has no tension. The chain is literally touching the ground. And it has no brake.
I missed.
Speed up a little bit. Oh.
New game, Unga Bunga. You tried to take out the other person.
Oh, whoa!
Caught in the wire!
It's just like slipping.
It got cut in the center of the wheel.
It's slipping. I can feel it just slip every once in a while.
No! I can use this as my vision.
Like it's like speeding up on a highway.
What?
Oh no! Chain gone. What did it do? It got like caught in there. Wow. Oh, we get some good speed on this.
Wow, great
Until
speed.
the chain decides to just like explode.
It still works. It's still working. I mean,
That suspension caused by the tires being flat.
let me just show the views. Doesn't even hurt.
Those things are. Point the camera at me. Those things are flat. What?
I'm
I
bouncy.
really whacked myself and whacked
Skeleton.
myself with that. I wonder if I can like make the chain do better. Who paints this? You aren't supposed to paint
They
the
spray
chain.
painted the thing and they accidentally spray painted the
Who
chain.
painted the chain? Now it's garbage.
Oh well.
That rusty. Okay, so yeah, I can't make any good tensioners to really work with this. So now we just have like a cool push bike. I need somebody to video this. Like I can't do anything. Can you stop playing with that stick and help? Video? Oh my gosh! Ah! Ah! Okay, it doesn't work anymore.
Let me try this.
Actually, yeah, that's a great idea. You should, yeah, whatever. Whoa. You just gotta like rechain the chain, you know, that'll, not that hard. You just kind of have to use both hands to do that and kind of go like pull out and kind of just, I think the problem mainly is that gear right there. It doesn't really hold on to it as well, and it kind of sticks to it also at the back for some reason, because it's physics or something, I don't know.
Oh, it sinks down when I sit on it.
Yeah. It works, kind of, until the chain gets enough motion to just flip out of... I think it's just overspeed. That doesn't do anything.
You must unlock the pin to get higher speed.
This is probably gonna be like the best footage of the whole video. Don't crash into my car. Oh,
Faster.
you're going faster. Wait, did it just self-gear up? No way, that would be interesting. I have created automatic bike. Oh no! It broke, right? Oh yeah, there it goes. Anyways, thanks for watching. We totally destroyed this bike. It still kind of works. It just needs everything. Yeah. So.
Oh no!
Let me just go home. Okay, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. The bike's dead now. It won't work ever again. Bye.
It's better. There's no brakes and there's no anything. The chain's just loose.
Going sideways?
Maybe.
That's horrible.
No.
It makes my editing.